Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into effective natural remedies and tips to combat hair loss. We're going to explore everything from essential oils and diet to proper hair care techniques and stress management. I know dealing with hair loss can be frustrating, believe me, I've been there. But the good news is that there are natural ways to support hair growth and regain your confidence. So, stick around, and let's unlock those hair growth secrets together. Let's kick things off with the power of nature essential oils. We're talking about rosemary oil, castor oil, and pumpkin seed oil, which are like superheroes for your scalp. Rosemary oil, my friends, is like that energizing friend who always gets things going. It's known to stimulate hair follicles, potentially boosting hair growth. Just a few drops mixed with a carrier oil like coconut oil, massage it into your scalp, and let it work its magic overnight. Now let's talk about castor oil. This one is like the heavy lifter, packed with fatty acids that nourish your hair and scalp. It can help strengthen hair strands, reducing breakage and promoting a healthy scalp environment for growth. Warm it up slightly, apply it generously to your scalp and hair, leave it in for a few hours or overnight, and then wash it out. And last but not least, we have pumpkin seed oil, which is like the wise old sage of the group. It contains unique compounds that may help block a pesky hormone called DHT, which is often linked to hair loss. You can find this oil in supplement form or incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet for an extra boost. You know the saying, you are what you eat? Well, it's true for your hair too. A balanced diet is crucial for healthy hair growth. First things first, let's talk about sugar. We all love a sweet treat now and then, but excessive sugar intake can wreak havoc on your hair. It can interfere with protein absorption, which your hair needs to grow strong and healthy. So cut back on those sugary drinks and processed foods, and your hair will thank you for it. Now let's focus on the good stuff. Healthy fats are your hair's best friend. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. These foods are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish your scalp and add shine to your hair. Protein is another essential building block for hair. Make sure you're getting enough lean protein from sources like chicken, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. And don't forget your veggies. Leafy greens, broccoli, and bell peppers are loaded with vitamins and minerals that support healthy hair growth. We talked about the good stuff, but let's be real, there are some foods that are not so hair-friendly. These are the usual suspects: processed foods, sugary drinks, and anything high in unhealthy fats, salt, and artificial ingredients. I know, they might be tempting, but trust me, your hair will thank you in the long run if you limit these dietary villains. Let's break it down. Processed foods are often stripped of their nutrients and loaded with preservatives, which can negatively impact hair health. Sugary drinks can lead to inflammation and disrupt hormone balance, both of which can contribute to hair loss. And those unhealthy fats found in fried foods and junk food, they can clog hair follicles, hindering growth and making your hair look dull and lifeless. So, be mindful of what you're putting into your body. Choose whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible, and your hair will reap the benefits. Let's talk about vitamins, those tiny but mighty nutrients that play a vital role in hair health. First up, vitamin A, the superstar for cell growth and repair, including those in your hair follicles. You can find it in foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach. Then we have the B vitamins, a whole crew of them that are essential for hair growth and strength. Biotin, in particular, is like the holy grail of hair vitamins. It helps produce keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. Eggs, nuts, and seeds are good sources of biotin. Vitamin C, the antioxidant powerhouse, protects your hair from damage and helps your body produce collagen, which is important for hair structure. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are all excellent sources of vitamin C. And let's not forget about vitamin D. It plays a role in hair follicle cycling and may even help prevent hair loss. Get your daily dose of vitamin D from sunshine or supplements, especially during the winter months. Time to unleash the power of superfoods. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your scalp and hair. First up, black beans, a fantastic source of protein, iron, and zinc, all crucial for healthy hair growth. Add them to salads, soups, or make a delicious black bean dip. Next, we have sesame seeds, tiny but mighty seeds packed with hair-loving nutrients like zinc, selenium, and vitamin E. Sprinkle them on your salads, stir fries, or enjoy them in the form of tahini. Black rice, often called forbidden rice, is another superfood worth adding to your diet. It's a good source of iron, protein, and antioxidants that can help protect your hair from damage. And let's not forget about the incredible egg. Eggs are like a multivitamin for your hair, providing protein, biotin, and other essential nutrients that promote hair growth and strength. Now that we've covered the inside, let's talk about how to care for your hair from the outside. First and foremost, be gentle. Avoid harsh shampoos that can strip your hair of its natural oils. Look for sulfate-free options and try to wash your hair every other day or less to allow your scalp to produce its natural oils. When you do wash your hair, use lukewarm water, not hot. Hot water can dry out your scalp and lead to breakage. And when you're drying your hair, pat it dry gently with a towel instead of rubbing vigorously. Another tip: avoid using heat styling tools too often. Heat can damage your hair, making it brittle and prone to breakage. If you must use heat, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand. And lastly, invest in a good quality hairbrush with soft bristles. This will help distribute the natural oils from your scalp down to the ends of your hair, keeping it moisturized and healthy. Believe it or not, getting enough sleep is crucial for healthy hair growth. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, regenerating cells and tissues, including those in your hair follicles. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to do its job. During sleep, your body produces growth hormone, which is essential for cell growth and repair, including hair growth. Lack of sleep can disrupt this hormone production, potentially leading to slower hair growth and even hair loss. Stress, which can be exacerbated by lack of sleep, can also take a toll on your hair. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with hair growth and even lead to hair loss. So make sure you're prioritizing sleep. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, create a sleep-conducive environment, and avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Let's talk about scalp massage, a simple yet effective technique that can work wonders for your hair. Think of it as a mini workout for your scalp, boosting blood circulation and delivering nutrients to your hair follicles. You can give yourself a scalp massage using your fingertips or invest in a scalp massager. Use gentle circular motions, applying light to medium pressure. Focus on areas where you're experiencing hair loss or thinning. Scalp massage can also help relieve stress and tension, which can further benefit hair growth. So next time you're feeling stressed, take a few minutes to give yourself a relaxing scalp massage. For an extra boost, try adding a few drops of rosemary or lavender essential oil to your scalp massage oil. These oils are known for their hair growth promoting properties and can enhance the benefits of your massage. Let's face it, life can be stressful, and that stress can manifest in many ways, including hair loss. When you're chronically stressed, your body produces cortisol, the stress hormone, which can disrupt hair growth and even lead to hair shedding. If you're noticing excessive hair loss or thinning, it's essential to address the root cause, which might be stress. Take some time to identify the stressors in your life and find healthy ways to manage them. Exercise is a fantastic stress reliever, and it's good for your overall health too. Yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises are also excellent for calming the mind and reducing stress levels. And don't underestimate the power of a warm cup of herbal tea. Chamomile, lavender, and ashwagandha are known for their calming properties and can help promote relaxation and better sleep. Just like our skin, our scalps can be dry, oily, or somewhere in between. And just like we adjust our skincare routines based on our skin type, we can also tailor our diets to support our specific scalp needs. If you have a dry scalp, it's essential to incorporate foods rich in healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds into your diet. These foods help nourish your scalp from within, preventing dryness and flakiness. For those with an oily scalp, focus on foods that help regulate sebum production. Zinc-rich foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and spinach can be beneficial. Also, make sure you're staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. And remember, what works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for your unique scalp type and hair concerns. So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to natural hair growth. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine and be patient with the process. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a dermatologist to address those specifically. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss an upload, and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for your love and see you next time.